Hola mis amigos, bienvenido a la Fuzzy Wallflower. Yo soy tu anfitrión Corey. Did I say it right? I probably just butchered it. Yes, welcome to the Fuzzy Wallflower. I'm your host Corey. I am been trying to do Duolingo for the past year. I think I'm at a first grade level of reading. Didn't really speak it much, but maybe I can write my Duolingo subscription off now that I'm able to use it in one of my videos. If only I was getting paid for this. Hey, at least I'm trying. You know, you gotta give me that. It's a perfect opportunity with Cinco De Mayo coming up, and all of us gringos are, well, we went from being Irish to now we're all Hispanic for the tequila. Anyway, yes, this Cinco de Mayo is coming up, and everybody's doing typical margarita videos. I thought, well, I would try to something a little different. I was looking up some margarita, you know, different recipes. There's strawberry margaritas and that sort of thing. And I came across one called a pineapple margarita. A few different recipe versions of it. I'm going to use the one from Delish.com. It seemed, a lot of them had a lot more pineapple in it. This one seemed a little more balanced out. It's typically just a standard margarita with pineapple juice on top of it. But all that being said, I am not a bartender, nor am I a Spanish translator. Do not take any of this as translating advice or bartending advice. So let's make a cocktail. It's not a frozen version, it's a standard shaken version. So we got a standard shaker of ice ready to go. 2 ounces of tequila. 3/4 of an ounce of triple sec. I'm using dry curacao. 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. That's where you got your standard margarita. Maybe you want to add some simple syrup to it. That's totally option to you. I do like a little agave in mine. So and that's not on the Delish recipe. I'm just adding it to it because I like it. But I'm just adding like a 1/4 ounce of agave. I just like the agave flavor with the lime and tequila. It just really blends well. Now, here comes the special ingredient. 2 ounces of pineapple juice. And it's shaking time. All right, and then get you a salted rim margarita glass. This is one of the ones I just bought at Goodwill. My 89-cent deal there. I don't do the salted rim too much, but you know, I might try it with this. It may help out with the sweetness. And to be fancy, we'll just go ahead and add a little pineapple on the side. And that, my friends, is a pineapple margarita. Let's see what this thing tastes like. Ooh, got a mouthful of salt. Yeah, that's pretty good. I think I would have done without the salt. It's a little much for me. But that pineapple really does sweeten it up. I definitely sit by the pool or sit on the boat or on a float out in the middle of the ocean. Yeah, I don't know. Be a fun little change of pace from a standard margarita. You know, give it a shot. See what you think. It may change your whole world. Well, with all that being said, you know what to do. Until next time, cheers.